Yo, welcome to a new video, and you still don't know yet, but I've been doing a lot. I've done a lot and I still have a little bit more to do. The E36 is high up in the air. We have a lot of old bushings. Oh, and I also got a front sump oil pan for him. But what you don't know yet, look, the subframe is out. Oh, and all my face is black as well. Anyways, what has been happening? So it all started with me deciding to tune this car for E98 fuel. I don't know what the equivalent of E98 is in US, but E98, fuck yeah. And it was actually doing pretty good. It took me like 2 hours, a lot of pulls, 15 liters of E98. But to be honest, my ass dyno, I can kind of feel it. It feels like I have more torque in the mid-range RPMs now. But what started happening is my car kind of started swimming around. When I released the gas, like I had to steer in weird ways, and the handling was just getting worse and worse and worse, and I couldn't understand what's happening. And well, first of all, I started with R-tab bushings, rear trailing arms, because I already knew they were really bad. I could move the whole trailing arm, the center of the bushing was like disconnected from the rubber itself.
Stop and rest, been working overtime to pay the rent. Sometimes it feels like no one's by my side, by my side. I'ma work in this cold until I'm froze, or work in this heat till I melt. If this music don't catch more ears than it has, well, I'm without working, man.
And I thought that is going to be the problem. I changed them, nothing. A little better, but I still have the major problem. Okay, then I decide lollipop bushings.
Feel a thing when I'm drunk. Everybody's got ears, but nobody hears the cries of a working man. The cries of a working man. The cries of a working man. Cries of a working man.
They were pretty bad as well. I changed out the lollipop bushings. Nope, nothing. 1 or 2 days pass by, it gets really bad. Like I have to steer at like 45 degrees to go straight. The fuck, bruh? And then one beautiful day, my tire goes out like this. And then I start seriously thinking about the subframe mounting points being torn out. So I obviously got reinforcement plates. I go under the car, I try moving the subframe, and it's moving really bad, like really bad. And I'm starting to understand, well, I'm fucked. But you know what? The mounting points were actually perfect. They were mint. The underbody of the car, it's mint. So yeah, I removed the subframe. I installed poly in the subframe. I installed poly in the upper control arms, inner bushing. I welded in the reinforcement plates, and here we are. Now we just need to install all of this back in the car, which shouldn't hopefully take too long. And to be honest, I haven't been recording too much because I was kinda on a time limit, because today is Thursday and on Monday I am going to dyno because I finally want to see the horsepower and torque of the M52 in this E36. And well, I obviously have to get the car fixed, but now that I'm understanding that everything is gonna be perfect and I am on time, unless this is actually not the problem, but it should be. So now I have time to finally talk to the camera, and you know what? Less talking, more doing, and let's get this subframe in the car. Let's attach all the control arms, and yeah, and then just pray for the best. Let's go.
I told him I'm back. Yes, I'm back. Yes, he's back. I told him I'm back. Yeah. I've been down so long and ain't nobody ever helped me. Never asked for help, that's just how my parents raised me. Never doubted myself, always knew that I could do things others wouldn't dare to try. That's the reason that I'm on. It's a lonely road, chasing money, I done learned a lot. Cause so many people love, I got so many empty spots. They wanna see you doing good, but they gon' hate when you on top. They didn't hate when I was broke, I called before reserved the spot. They say it's lonely at the top, but I was lonely at the bottom. Seeing mama struggle, swear to God that shit made me go harder under pressure. I'm an element of carbon, I'm a diamond, I could never afford, I'm hella solid. Pressure only made me stronger. Money getting longer, I've been down so long, but it was only the first quarter, so it didn't really matter. Now my pride getting fatter. I was at the bottom, now I'm climbing up the ladder. Had to get it on my own, yeah. Had to get it on my own. I can never ask for help, rather do this shit alone. You ain't cold when I was down, don't be hitting on my phone, nah. Don't be hitting on my phone. I've been down so long and ain't nobody ever helped me. Never asked for help, that's just how my parents raised me. Never doubted myself, always knew that I could do things others wouldn't dare to try. That's the reason that I'm on. I could lose it all, but I'll always get it back. You could put me in the jungle and you know I would survive. I ain't never been the type to stay down, but I lay low while I stack up. I know they don't like me, but who's gonna stop me? This just the beginning, I'm just getting started. I told them already, but they do not listen. And I love the bread like I love reminiscing. There's nothing that you could ever say that's gonna make me feel away. I know exactly who the fuck I am. Anything you do, I could do it way better, and that's up 100%. I told them I'm back. Yes, I'm back. Yes, he's back. I told him I'm back. Yeah.
I just needed a reason. All the missing pieces had me chasing a feeling I can't hide from the seasons. All the leaves are changing while my heart's slowly freezing. I held you tighter, but I couldn't hold on. I lost my grip. I was calling out right as I slipped. No more love to give, think this is it. Never try to see you hurting, baby. I always let you down. Falling. I always let you down. I always let you down. Our time is running out and there's no way to stop it. Wish that I could erase it, take away the pain, cause I just can't ever face it. Don't know how I can make it, giving everything, but somehow I stay complacent. I held you tighter, but I couldn't hold on. I lost my grip. I was calling out right as I slipped. No more love to give, think this is it. Never try to see you hurting, baby. I always let you down. I always let you down. You watch me hit the ground. I couldn't help but falling.
Tas ķipa ir normāli, lai taisni braukt man šitā stūra jātur, bļē. I never really recorded an outro for this video, plus the editing has been taking me a lot of time because I'm just really lazy, but here goes the outro, the E36 is up in the air again, and everything is okay. Everything is okay. It's just that the axle shit itself, which I knew was gonna happen earlier or later anyway. But other than the axle that I'm gonna change right now, which should be a really quick job, the car is perfect. The problem went away. I went to the dyno. And I'm really happy because I think I got 217 horsepower, which could have been a little more if I just removed the belt from the AC compressor. The Newton meters was 281, I think. There is a slight dip in the curve because my Vanos tune is not really correct, but I already fixed that. Altogether though, if we ignore all the little things, I would call the dyno session really successful, and like I already said, I am really happy. And well, the next thing I guess is camshafts. Soon, or maybe not as soon, we'll see. I don't know when, but I know for sure we are gonna be installing camshafts in this car, in this engine, and we're gonna have even more power. Other than that, yeah, that is everything. Thank you for watching. First of all, let me change the axle real quick, and yeah, see you next time, everyone.
Sex in the backseat, love don't last. She just want a good time, I wanted to pass. Roll up a blunt, take a hit, fade to black. I don't even care if I ain't coming back. Call my name, it don't mean nothing at all. It's okay, I might be there when you fall. Burn me down, I'll watch you think as I crawl. For my life, I did so good for it all. She just said that it's all my fault. Think I'm coming to my end. We just fought, now it's all pretend.
By the way, I already had an extra axle lying around just because I know myself. I know that I like to hit the clutch kicks, you know. So I bought a new aftermarket. I think this one was a Melee, whatever. I just want to test it out, how it compares to a old OEM one. And you know what? To be honest, it looks thicker than the original one. And kind of want to check it out. This one is 27 millimeters. If we go and check the other side, it's the same, it just fucking looks bigger. Oh well, whatever. Another fun fact, I have an extra gearbox and an extra diff lying around, cause it's good to keep extras, you know? Yeah, let's finish the job. Oh, and one last thing, look, now I have a diff reinforcement plate. Nice.